Today we're going to be tying the Stripper Midge. This is a go-to pattern for low water in the South Holston. It's sparse, it's clean, and it's just subtle enough to not scare the fish. Today for my hook, I'm going to be using a TMC 2488H. It's a great heavy hook that's never going to bend out. Other good options are the 2488 and also the 2487. With that particular hook, I'm going to be using some countersunk tungsten beads, 2.0 millimeter. Start my thread. This is an extremely simple fly. Next, I'm going to tie in my fulling mill stripped quill. That's where this fly gets its name. Then what you want to do is try and find the dark edge and have that pointing away from you on the underside. And also clip it far enough up that it'll give you the segmentation that you're looking for. That'll probably make a little bit more sense if you watch this video through to the end. All you do is tie that in and then simply wrap your quill. This may be a little bit easier with hackle pliers, but it can be done by hand as well. And what you should see as we're doing this is just really nice segmentation happening. So now that we are at the front, tie that in. I like to do one behind, one in front, one behind. Clip it nice and close. I'm a big fan of the half hitch whip. If you want to get it really close, you can come in and use your tool there. There you go. This fly is really prone to trout teeth. So the next thing we're going to do is apply a little bit of loon resin. It's probably a little bit of a healthy dose. Take your bodkin, spread it out. It's going to help strengthen it, also give it a really cool look. And then just hit it with our light.
And I wish we were chasing waterfalls somewhere in North Carolina. And I wish I was home